Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do job costing, or put it another way, how you can track your profit for each and every job. So from the jobs section here, I'm going to click on a job that I'm working on. So in this case, new panel, upgrade Costa. I'm going to click on the job costing tab here. So in here is where you can add your costs or expenses that are related to this particular job. So for example, let's say for this job, I had to rent a piece of equipment. So I'm going to select category equipment, put a label here, rental. You can be more specific. You can add a description. You can add the vendor. You could put in the cost. So for example, let's say this cost me $150. I'm going to add the tax. I can also upload a receipt here for my records, and that's it. I'm going to click add job cost. So now what happens here, if I go back to summary, it updates now. So the contract summary, 6,700. Here my expenses, that's the 150 before the tax that I just added, and there's my profit. So now this allows you to track by the cent your profit for each job, which is the most important thing, obviously. So that's the first and simple way to add your costs and expenses. Second way here is if I go into reports, there's an expenses report right here. So if I click on expenses, here's where you can track and manage your expenses. So up here, I'm going to click add expense, and it's the exact same pop-up. But now here, you can just add general expenses, business expenses that are not attributed to a job. So for example, let's say you're using Jobtable, paying for the software. So I'm putting computer software, $49, per month or for the month. Upload a receipt. You can link it to a job in here as well, and that's it. I'm gonna add the expense. So that's a way you can add general expenses. Now the third thing here, timesheets. So this is very important when you're adding team members that are using timesheets in your company. Make sure in your manage team section, you're adding their hourly rate. So what this will do, when they clock in, clock out, they save their timesheet to a job. This will automatically calculate their labor costs for timesheets and link it directly to that job. And it's going to automatically add that job costing for the job. So that's just going to make your tracking, your job costing so much more accurate. So make sure the hourly rate is inputted in here. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out anytime. Thank you.